Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I will be showcasing all the new features that have just been released in InDesign in March 2018. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this video. One of the new features is new mobile presets. So now there are new presets for mobile and tablets that have been added in the new document dialog. So when you go ahead and click on create new and filter that down to mobile devices, as you can see here, there are sizes for the iPhone X. And if you scroll down here, as you can see, there is the Google phone as well, of Google Pixel, a Samsung S8. So you get the idea. There's quite a lot that are in there. While we're in here, if you're not familiar, you can actually get free templates from Adobe stock right within InDesign. So as you can see, the ones that say free beside them are the free ones, and when you click on see preview, you can have a little sneak peek into what it looks like before actually downloading it. So as you can see, there are on the right hand side just a description on what this ebook looks like. And there's another one, a magazine layout. So quite a lot of options that are available right within InDesign. And also at the bottom you do have a search function there if you can't find what you're looking for. So I'll just type in menu and click on go, and this will take you through to the web browser. Next feature is while creating a new document, you now have the option to preview the document as you make changes in the new document dialog. Go ahead and click on create new. As you can see, there is a preview checkbox that's in there. Once checked, you can actually see the live preview. So as you can see, I can change the orientation to landscape, change the number of columns. Next feature, now you can export PDF documents into separate pages. So in this example here, I have a template of a CV in various different designs. So I'm just flicking through several pages here. So you'll go and click on File, and as per usual, click on Export. And then now just a format, just the standard PDF, and click on Save. So now there is a new option. If you have a look, it's called Create Separate PDF Files. So go ahead and check the box to create separate PDF files, then go ahead and click on Export. Now it's exported, go ahead and click on your Finder. It has created a folder, and as you can see, there are multiple separate PDFs. Next feature, now you can use Photoshop or Illustrator shortcuts in InDesign. So say if you're a new user of InDesign and you're used to your Illustrator or Photoshop shortcuts, you can actually now use them right inside of InDesign. Click on Edit and then go ahead and select Keyboard Shortcuts right at the bottom. In the Set field, it's a drop-down box. And when you click on that, you will see all the options. So by default, it is on InDesign. Otherwise, you can choose Illustrator or Photoshop in this new release. Next feature is now you can merge paragraph borders. So now you can create borders to enclose multiple paragraphs using the paragraph border feature. Okay, so in the past you could always create paragraph borders. That was released just in October 2017, whereas now you have the ability to actually merge two consecutive paragraphs if they have the same paragraph border and shading properties. Now highlight the two paragraphs, and now you have a checkbox that says merge consecutive borders and shading with same settings. So go ahead and check that and click OK. And finally, one of the new features is there are richer analytics now for published online documents. So now you can track analytics such as read time, average read time, device breakup of user view, so whether they're using a desktop or a tablet or mobile device to view your online document. So quite a few things. So firstly, I'll just do a quick time lapse of how I'm going to animate this particular document. Now I'll just show you a quick preview of the interactive PDF. I'll just push play.
Here in Uncanny Valley, static.
Okay, so that was just some audio that was embedded, and now I am just flicking through the thumbnails, and as you can see up the top, all the social links, and there's a QR code. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the SoundCloud icon, and this will take you directly to the SoundCloud website. Next, let us click on Publish Online just to publish this interactive PDF. So instead of exporting it as an interactive PDF, we're going to publish this online. As you can see, this has taken you right through to a URL of this published document online. Now we'll just jump straight back into InDesign and just close this window here. So now looking at the new feature, go ahead and click on File and click on Publish Online Dashboard. This opens up your Adobe login online, and as you can see, all your published documents are here. I'll click on the second icon, which is to share the publication link. You can copy the URL if you wanted to. Click on the first graph icon, and that will open up the publication analytics. So inside of your analytics here, as you can see, you can look at the views, the readers, the average read time, the total read time. So what's pretty cool is with the average read time, so you can actually see how long someone has actually spent reading your document. So pretty neat. And finally, you can also see which device they have used to open your link with and read your publication with. So whether it's a desktop, tablet, or mobile. So that's it. These are all the new features that have just been released this month, March 2018. Go ahead and update your InDesign and you will be able to access all of these features. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next one. Thanks. See ya.